Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of us all? Ah! Hello friends, I'm Martin Jensen, and let's make this mirror great again. This is a mirror that someone gave to my wife. It was going to be trashed. I thought it could become a nice farmhouse style mirror. Mirrors are quite easy to work with and makes a great beginner's woodworking project. This one I will nearly touch, just strip and cut. The jigsaw is such a versatile tool and one of my favorite go-to tools. For this build I wanted to make some curves on the frame. The angle grinder with a flapdisc is a really good friend when it comes to these kind of projects. Sanding is one of my least favorite things to do, but the angle grinder gets me through it. It was necessary to get rid of all that white paint. After burning it, I instantly regretted it. I should have used some woodstainer instead, but done is done. I sanded some of it away afterwards. Now I find the upcycling finished and we'll just put the mirror back in. No need for the protection plate on the back side, since this will now be a wall-hanged mirror. Yeah, now let's try this mirror again. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Yeah, that's more like it. Well, I do hope you have an old mirror you can upgrade, or you can find one on Craigslist or the Norwegian Finn. Now you have some ideas. Get to it, woodpeckers. See you.